Hello everybody, welcome back. I have the Yamaha A and 800 set up already. And I've been playing it for about maybe 30-40 minutes. I did the wipeout calibration. I'm gonna do a demo with playing the wipeout. I'm actually using the Weem streamer with the optical out. So I'm using the deck inside the Yamaha with my KEF Q Concertos. And I do have the sub connected. So far, my impression, awesome. Great, dynamic, neutral. I mean, it just sounds amazing. I mean, it really does. I mean, for the price, for the build, Yamaha always makes a good product. The Japanese, they don't play when it comes to their musical instruments. Now I'm gonna play a quick demo. Rin Seal, City Suite, is a contemporary jazz album. And it's got just great drums, bass. It's just a very dynamic song. So I think it's a good one to do a demo with. And here we go, guys. Well, what can I say? Amazing, awesome. Those speakers are a four-ohm speakers. They're have a low efficiency level. I think they're at 85, 84, 86. I'm not sure. And they need power. And boy, that Yamaha is giving them some power. Do they sound sweet? A little bright on the high end, but that's something that I can take care of with the tone control, or just go ahead and do the wire power, or even the EQ on the wing. But amazing. I'm telling you, if that Yamaha 800 network receiver is 11.99 regular price, I think you could probably get it on Amazon right now for about 700 bucks. That is a super steal. Uh, awesome. I'm telling you, the imaging is awesome. The bass is great. A little bright, but nothing I can't take care of. Oh, guys, that's my first demo. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.